Alright, there's that piece. Motor mount. Look at that. I used the pry bar to push the rest of the motor lower control arm out. That there looks like it is going to need replaced. Notice where it's bent. I pushed it this way out of my way to get to where I need to go. Get to. I used a 1/2 inch extension with the swivel of 15mm. Came in handy. For there, I held the other end while my son wrenched it out. They wrenched the nut out using that swivel 15mm. Same there. All together my five bolts holding it down. That's the other side. Did remove that broken stud there, the chock. And I'm gonna make some new rubber O-rings like that work. I don't think I can repair that. I was gonna take it to work and see if I can weld something together. I don't know. These are all the pieces. Damn.